Assalamualaikum and hello to Malaysia, Puan Nur Rashikin binti Muhammad Razi. My name is Siti Nur Atika binti Nur Rahman 220433. I'm from 2TML2 and today I would like to present about distributor company of product that I choose. The distributor company of this product is Textile Malaysia Member Hut. So first of all, this is my table of content that I want to cover in this presentation. The first thing that I want to cover in this presentation is product and information. The product that I choose is Captain Instant Oatmeal. This product is manufactured at Federal Oats Mills Member Hut, located at Butterworth, Penang, Malaysia. The distributor of this product is Textile Malaysia Member Hut, located at Jalan Perindustrian Bukit Minyak, Pulau Pinang, Malaysia. Next, in this slide is about history and background of Textile Malaysia Member Hut. Textile Malaysia Member Hut started as a family business. In 1978, Textile Malaysia Member Hut was founded by the late Mr. Chu Tau Meng and Mr. Che Yang Hao with a workforce of 9 people including themselves. In 1918, the main business activity was limited to traded products like salted vegetable and salted fruit. They grew from a traditional food distributor and now TSM grew into one of the leading distributor of fast-moving consumer goods (FMCG) in Malaysia. They distribute imported and locally manufactured products as well through their extensive distribution channel in Malaysia. Next, I will show you the logo, vision and mission of Textile Malaysia Member Hut. This is the logo of Textile Malaysia Member Hut, and the vision of this company is to be the leading distributor of fast-moving consumer goods (FMCG) in Malaysia. Next is being company fully dedicated to their customer and will continue to provide excellent distribution services. And the vision of this company is keep developing into an excellent distributor in delivering comprehensive service, marketing, brand development, sale and promotion, logistics and distribution. Next is a good business partnership with full commitment all the time. Next, this is the head office of Textile Malaysia Member Hut. The company is located at Jalan Perindustrian Bukit Minyak, Pulau Pinang, Malaysia. This is their email and contact number. The operation hour of this company is start from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and close at Saturday and Sunday. Next, this is their branch located in Kuala Lumpur. This is their email and contact number. The operation hours are same as the head office. Then, Textile Malaysia Member Hut has 100 to 250 employees at their head office and branch. The number of these employees is increasing every year due to the growth of the business. Next, this is Dato' Che Chen Chiang is an executive chairman of Textile Malaysia Member Hut after Dato' Che Yong Dai. The next slide is the company asset. First is building. The function of building of Textile Malaysia Member Hut is the place where all business activity are carried out and operated by the company. Second is warehouse. The function of the warehouse of Textile Malaysia Member Hut is to store goods from their customer. The warehouse also assists the company in coordinating the distribution of goods. Last is transportation. Textile Malaysia Member Hut has their own transportation to distribute its customer products. Next is the core business of Textile Malaysia Member Hut is one of the successful influence distributor in delivering comprehensive service. Their main product line contains 80% of food and beverage products such as canned fruits, snack, assorted cookies, sparkling drink and juice. They do carry 20% of non-food products like aluminum foil, sling, and zipper wrap. They also expand their business, becoming an influence pet food distributor. TSM runs its business with three comprehensive services. First is marketing and brand development. With this service, they categorize competitors' market research. Next, they analyze and formulate a customized marketing strategy to grow diversified business. They also create a unique selling proposition for product to distinguish from competitors. And last activity in this service is they localize marketing promotion mechanism and strategize forecast quantity. Next service is sales planning and promotion. They do an in-depth understanding of customer need with efficient and targeting promotion planning. Then, the field merchandising team handle different customer groups and improve service level. They also do promotion and after-sale analysis. And the last service is logistics and system infrastructure. They do nationwide coverage of distribution including Peninsular Malaysia and East Malaysia. They do continuous investment on infrastructure to leverage cost efficiency. They have an efficient transportation team to ensure on-time delivery with the help of powerful WMS for effective order processing. And last thing is they have detailed sales report for sales tracking and analysis. And the last part is type of middleman. Taksim Messrs Van Berhad is a manufacturer agent because many products are distributed by Taksim Messrs Van Berhad. They also serve in various types of retail outlets such as hypermarket, supermarket, wholesaler, bakeries, restaurant, hotel, convenience shop, and pharmacies. So that's all my presentation today about the distribution company of Captain Instant Oatmeal, which is Taksim Messrs Van Berhad. I hope everyone get the information clearly. So that's all from me. Thank you.